Moss Terrarium. Step-by-step guide. Collecting moss from the wild. Pincushion moss. Pincushion moss. There are a lot of insects under these moss. They are very important because they help to decompose organic matter. Springtails. Now, you can see a small millipede. Collecting wild springtails for my terrarium. Wood moss. Take a transparent container or jar. Today, use this small container. I fixed a small cup inside of the lid. Add active carbon or charcoal to the bottom. It is important to purification of water in this small ecosystem. Then add small gravel layer. It will help drain the excess water in this small ecosystem. Then add a thin layer of sand. Now place piece of wood moss. Then add layer of terrarium substrate. This substrate should more nutritious and also should have ability of water retain. Add some water to substrate. Now place a small driftwood. Small bird's nest, fern. Place a stone behind the driftwood for attach driftwood to the substrate. Use mud paste for attach moss on the driftwood. Apply the mud paste using a brush on the place where you want to grow moss. Now you can attach wood moss or moss. Spray some water for maintain good moisture level and it helps to avoid drying the moss. Now place a small fern. I decided to remove bird's nest fern because it not fixed well. Now start to place moss on the substrate. Cover the area using moss. Again, spray some water. Now add springtails. Use small roots for increased natural look. Now cover the lid and place the terrarium under light source. Don't place the terrarium under direct sunlight, because it can cook your plants. Should regularly check the moisture content. It's very important. Because if your terrarium have low moisture level, it will dry and dies all the plants. If terrarium have high moisture level, it can lead to mold or algae growth. Thank you.